Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Grange Head Teacher CCCU Assembly first week of 2021. So this is because if you're in this assembly, we can see how hard you've been working and how hard you are trying. And if your name isn't in the assembly, just keep going strong because we will see you. So you know what the Grange CC way is. It's a great caring attitude. It's trying our best. It's always learning, especially from our mistakes, going for improvement and progress, using our learning to help us to make great choices in our lives and never giving up. We know what physical strength is. That helps us to overcome any physical challenges. And that's good and that's important. But character strength, really being the best person that we can be, will always help us to overcome any challenge, and that helps us to solve any problem that we face. And that's why at Grange we always speak about character strength. Be the best that you can be. It'll help you to solve your problems in life. And every time you're faced with a problem, you just say, all right, okay, which character strength am I going to use? And that's our Grange CC way. Confident. I am going to be my best and considerate. I am going to make the world a better place through my actions, through good listening, through kind words, and through great actions. That's our philosophy for life. So we have some gold people bouncing in this week. Tabark, well done. We are proud of you. Grange House of Water. Who do we see over there? Well, Micaiah, 26 points. Dennis flying in. And our swivel went to Sarah G with 92 points. Amazing. Grange House of Fire, and Naya flying in, and Darius gets the swivel with 29 points. Grange House of Air, and we only had one person, so they get the swivel. Kirat with 22 points. Grange House of Earth, and Clayton flying in with 27 points, and Izan gets a swivel with 35 points. Come on, everybody. Altogether this week, in our first week of remote learning, we're 4,317 points, which is brilliant. Who was my classy class? Well, Rumi class, you managed nearly 100 points. But Malala class, you get the swivel, 127 points. Proud of you. Last term, we got 120,000 points, more than that in our autumn term. So let's give ourselves a target of 50,000 points in spring. And every single week, I'll add up over here and we'll see what the running total is. So we're going to make it. Go for it. Remember that in autumn, we had Freddie visit us. We had the reindeers visit us. That was a reward for being brilliant CC learners. So I read an amazing article. And they said that if you've got plants in your classroom, they have researched this and seen that pupils learn better and do better if there are plants in their classroom. So I will look at who the classy class of the whole half term is at the end of this half term in February. And I'm going to get you a big, beautiful jungle style pot plant for your classroom for you to look after and enjoy every day. So last term, Malala class, you were the classy class of the term. Who's it going to be? Picasso, you were very close behind, but all of you could it be that classy class. So let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Let's be safe. Let's be happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's enjoy getting our CC points and knowing that we're doing brilliantly. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.